What's up, everybody? I am back with another video. Just doing a quick drive down the Strand. I haven't put out any content in a couple months because I really haven't had the motivation to do so. Happens from time to time, I guess. You gotta pick and choose your content, right? Today I am heading out of Oceanside, California, and I'm heading north to an area called Alabama Hills. Hopefully I can find a spot because based on the reviews, even though it's BLM land, the spots are limited and it gets busy up there. I have driven past all the major grocery stores, so I found this little place called Saul's Produce and Meat. Hi. Hey. Can I get 1 pound of pastor? Maybe 1 pound of the pollo marinado. 2 drumsticks. Thank you. Got some stuff. Got some cilantro. Got some potatoes. Got some zucchini. Got some limes. Got some, what is this, chicken? Marinated chicken, El Pastor, and a couple chicken drumsticks here. Should be good for a couple nights at least. Luca, we gotta keep driving for like another 2.5 hours. You ready, buddy? 2.5 hours. See you later, Saul's Produce and Meat. That was actually pretty cheap. I paid basically exactly $20. What else did I get in there? An onion. Did pretty good for 20 bucks. Well, we made it. Pretty cool looking area, but yeah, pretty much every spot is taken so far. You have to stay at the designated spots that are here, it says, with the little TP triangle signs. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I can't find a spot. I've probably come across 15 spots that are taken so far. Yeah, it really sucks. We'll head up this way and see if I can find something. Total and complete bust. That doesn't happen to me very often. Literally, there's no spots open. It's just how it goes. I found a spot I'm staying at tonight. It is right here in the Sierra Nevada mountains desert. And there are shotgun shell casings all over the place here at this spot. About 15 miles from where I just was at the other campground that was completely full. And it's a hell of a lot windier over here. But yeah, this is where we're staying because I'm just tired of driving. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. It's super fucking windy out here. But I'm just gonna stay here tonight and deal with this wind. I don't really have a choice. I can't keep driving all night. I mean, I could, but I don't want to. We'll get Luke out for the next half an hour or so, go make some dinner. So hopefully we don't get a knock tonight. When the vans are rocking, don't you come knocking. I actually repositioned the van a little bit, re-angled it, so the winds are hitting the driver's side basically dead on. And when I'm standing here in my sliding door passenger side area of the van, it's actually not that bad. I have some dishes to get done here. And then yeah, I think I'm just gonna make some El Pastor tacos and kind of chill and be here. I'm not really sure what else to say. I mean, I'm just here. I've got all the ingredients sitting here for the most part, I think. If you don't buy your meat from a Mexican market, I highly recommend it. But this is pre-marinated pastor, so that's really nice to have. We got some cilantro from there. I'm gonna try to use this old onion. It's been sitting in the fridge for a little while, but I think I can make that work. Cilantro, lime, and I have 3 of these awesome tortillas that I got in San Diego. Focus? Not really. Looks good though. It is good. Not bad at all. I'm gonna finish eating this, and then I think I'm gonna watch some Netflix with Luca. Not sure what else to do. It's windy, it's dark, I'm in the middle of nowhere. No one's around me for quite a few miles. Good morning. The wind has actually gotten a lot worse than it was yesterday. It was supposed to stop at like 5 in the morning, but it hasn't stopped, and it's 8 o'clock in the morning now. I am now in Nevada, and I was just in California cruising east into Nevada around Mono Lake, and there was some guy flailing his arms around with an empty water bottle in the middle of nowhere, literally. And there was nothing 50 miles in one direction and 25 miles in the direction he was walking. So I stopped and carefully approached him to see if I could help him in any way, and he didn't speak any English. So I pulled out my phone and translated with the app, and it turns out that he was working. Someone had hired him to go work on a ranch, and he had paid them to give him a ride back to Victorville, California, which is like 4.5 hours away from where we were. And he said that they dropped him off at a gas station, or they said that they went to a gas station, and he went to go use the bathroom, and when he came out, they were gone. So they just like left him stranded there. And he said he just needed to get to a gas station. So I offered to give him a ride back 25 miles to the gas station. And of course, before I let him in my van, I made sure he didn't have any weapons on him or anything. And he had a phone with a charger, and got him to the gas station. He was really appreciative. But anyways, guys, I am here at Safeway, and I'm gonna go grab some stuff, and yeah, I don't know. This is van life, guys. Just arrived to where I'll be staying tonight. Maybe a couple nights, maybe 3 nights. This is the Tamarack Beach Bureau of Land Management Walker Lake Recreational Area. And apparently it's free to stay here for 2 weeks, just like any other BLM land. I'm gonna go drive around and see if I can't find myself a spot I like, and we'll catch up with you guys in just a little bit. Come on out, bubs. Let's go for a little walk.